Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video, it's Thursday, it's keto cocktail time, and we are starting holiday cocktails. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. What is the keto cocktail? It's a gingerbread martini. Absolutely. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. Christmas is here. Well, not really, but in my house it is. All right, so this cocktail is definitely a holiday cocktail. So let's go over the ingredients. First thing, gingerbread vodka. Yes, they make a gingerbread vodka. We're going to use a little Grand Marnier, heavy whipping cream, a brown sugar simple syrup made with Truvia brown sugar. So it is a low carb brown sugar. They make powdered sugar, regular sugar, granulated sugar, and so definitely check that out. And then simple syrup, this one is vanilla, and it is completely zero carbs. So this Torani, you know, that you get for coffees, you could do it coffees, cocktails. Get the sugar-free one. It's zero carbs. Why not? Let's save a little where we can, right? Because it's the holidays. And then smashed up Gingersnap cookies. Those are the ingredients. Let's get started. Cocktail glass of choice is this most adorable reindeer gold martini glass. It's gorgeous. Come on, let's just say it what it is, right? All right, let's go ahead and start making this cocktail. We're going to start with our gingerbread vodka. 2 ounces. Grand Marnier. Although Grand Marnier does have some carbs, it's very minimal. 1.5 ounces of Grand Marnier. That's going to add some warmth. We definitely need some sweetness. All right, 1.5 ounces of the vanilla. 1.5 ounces of heavy whipping cream. And then we're also going to pour 2 ounces of heavy whipping cream into a bowl. So since I have it out, we're going to do that. And we are also going to add, I have a little bit left of this bottle, so let me see how much I have in here. So I want to finish this one up. And it is 1/2 ounce of the vanilla syrup. So in there it goes. And then we have our brown sugar, and we are going to use 1.5 ounces. Woo. And 1/2 ounce into the heavy whipping cream. Now, we've got this in the shaker. We're going to give it a nice shake. Let it whisker. Love this thing. And we are going to make not whipped cream, but close, you guys. All right, you guys, in here I have the brown sugar simple syrup that I have rimmed the glass with, and then also the ginger snaps, which I'm also rimming the glass with. Gorgeous. Another little whip. And then we're going to pour it in the top. Gorgeous. All right, then we're going to take a little bit of the gingerbread crumbles, top it as much as you want. And that is it. Absolutely stunningly gorgeous. Let's give it a try. All right, you guys, let's, it's the taste test. Now this is a big size martini glass, keep in mind. I already know how this tasted. This is my own concoction, and when the idea started, this whole keto cocktail thing started when I said, you know what, I'm gonna take traditional drinks like margaritas, lemon drops, things like that, and make them low carb. Well, then I started just saying, you know what, I wanna be creative. I found gingerbread vodka, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna do something with that. This is phenomenal. It's like a milk mustache for adults. It's really good. It tastes divine. Now, I'm always truthful. If you wanted a little sweeter, okay, I think it's perfect this way. However, if you wanted a little sweeter, instead of 1.5 ounces, go with 2 ounces of the, it's 0 carbs, of the vanilla. But I love it just like this. So good. My husband loves this one. All right, you guys, that is it. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed this cocktail. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and videos like it, hit the thumbs up for me. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Cheers and happy holidays.